So welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be giving out one website and two apps you should be using on your daily life. So the first website is called restorephotos.io. This is an AI tool that helps you restore old photos. Like maybe you have an old photo, you want it to look more sharper in terms of the face, you can use restorephotos.io. Then for the apps, the first app I'm going to be giving out is name is Seal. This app is basically an app that you can use to download videos from YouTube and other sources. So all you just have to do, you just copy the link. You have an option to download it as a video or maybe on audio. Maybe you are watching, you see a video, a music video, and you don't want it to be, you want to download it from audio, you can use the C app. Then the second app I'm going to be telling you is the universal Android debloater. With this app, you can eventually delete unwanted app you don't like. Maybe you bought a new phone and there are some restore app that you don't like which cannot be uninstalled from the phone. You can use this universal debloater app to remove those apps from your phone. So thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe and drop your comment on the comment section. See you guys next time. Thanks.